Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today Mojang released Snapshot 21W44A. I'll be showing you the most important tweaks and changes in this video, so if you want to find out what's new in the snapshot, just keep on watching. There's only been one major world generation change, and that is that when upgrading an old world, a new cave generation will be inserted under existing chunks. Since world upgrades are still being worked on though, it's recommended to make a backup of your world before upgrading to the recent snapshot to prevent any errors. There have been a couple gameplay changes. Firstly, entity collisions have been optimized. Furthermore, sleeping now only resets the weather cycle if it's raining or thundering. And lastly, blocks and fluids are now also affected by simulation distance, so it's recommended to test redstone contraptions when upgrading to check they still function like before. There have been a couple noticeable technical changes. Firstly, if you go to the main menu and then click Options, there is now an Online tab. Here you'll be able to turn realm notifications and server listings on and off. The Allow Server Listings option means you can now choose whether other people can see you as offline or online in public servers. A big bug fix is that previously some mobs specific to structures weren't spawning at their structure. However, this has been altered, so now they should spawn without difficulty. Additionally, this snapshot also fixed the bug of some ocean biomes and mountain biomes not counting towards the Adventure Time advancement. Those are all the important changes that have been made to Minecraft in this snapshot. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more from my channel, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget though, if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to test out this snapshot with your friends, you should head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching!